fuel tech. Seal of approval. We don't want anything for free. We don't even want a discount. We just want a seal of approval from fuel tech. So if you're watching this for some reason,
help us!
Help us, please. That'd be awesome to partner up with you guys. That'd be awesome.
There's Tucci in the house, the #1 film guys in the business.
What's going on, everybody? Hold on 1 second. Oh, check that out, or check out the box. What's going on, everybody? It is Wednesday, big January 4th, and we got some good stuff in the mail today, which is always fun. Some Motion Raceworks. We got a steering column and a 6-inch quick release extension, and then we're still waiting from. You ordered stuff from S&W already?
Yeah.
And then we'll order some of the rest of the stuff from S&W. So pull this box open, check it out, and see what it looks like. Get this thing open here. I don't even know where the middle of the box is. Oh, look at that. Damn. Dum-dum. I got no idea what that is yet. Won't be using that. We got the Fuel Tech one. Hardware. Jeez. All the paper in here. So there's the quick release extension. Thought it came black. Okay. I think that might be it. So this is pretty much how it's supposed to look. I mean, we're gonna have to check, get in the car and all that, because this extension obviously makes it much closer to me, so we're gonna have to adjust from there. But this is definitely a lifesaver, especially for, you know, bigger guys like me or my dad that have to get out. Takes way more out, so it's 6 inches out of the way once you take the steering wheel off, which is great. So we just kind of have to probably have to modify from there, but we'll see. All right, so that's the setup we're looking at. Pretty sweet. Shout out to Fuel Tech. I saw they came out with steering wheels about a year ago. I had to grab one. Pretty cool. Looks good in here. Too fat. So now we're gonna cut it down and get it close to the size for me to feel comfortable in it. And we're gonna cut it right here. Just the outside though. Cutting it down to size. Okay, you film it. Dad wants to film it. So we're just cutting a hole for the...
I could say it.
Okay. First off, you already got it wrong because you started it the wrong way. Now it's upside down. No, you got it. No, I'm not doing it. Perfect hole. Yeah. So what's up, everybody? Back in the garage. Back in the garage, and it's a disgusting mess on here, as always, per usual. But today we got some more stuff. We're gonna do a little cleanup here. Get get rid of some of this shit so you can actually work on here. But we got some pieces from S&W. I don't know yet. Piece from S&W. This, we're gonna weld this to 2 bars, and then that's gonna hold the steering column in. So these are the clamps that they give us. We've got to tighten it. I don't even know if it even fits. So first thing we're doing is we got to put the seat back in it, so I make sure that I'm good. So we took some stuff out, put some of the floor out for some other stuff. So got to pop the Fat Boy seat back in and see what it looks like and see how I feel.
Still going?
I don't know if it was still running.
All right, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna notch part of the tubing for the steering column. I got Chris the notcher, tubing expert guy, doing notching. All right, we got trick notches going on here by the Notch Master. Chris Tucci, who needs a battery. Okay, hold on 1 second, please. Go ahead.
So this has to be flipped up, and I just made it worse. I was trying to do it with my foot, but those pieces that are ground there, that's where the 2 bars are going to be welded to, and it should hook right on like it is right now, but it's upside down. I can't reach it. All right, so kind of tough to film and hold the steering wheel up. So one of them is tack welded in. Now we just got to tack weld the other one on, and we need to do a little pulling on it. So I'll show you in a minute. This is some shit right here.
Hmm?
This is some shit right here.
This is some shit, boy.
Alright, so I don't know what I got of that last shot, but that's it with the steering wheel off. Now we're going to try to put the dash in and hope that the steering column is the middle of the dash hole. So, yeah, get a shot from out there. I'll go record. Looks good though. Yeah, I'm recording right now. Fuel tech, I mean, we got the switch panel, we got the FT550, we got the steering wheel. I mean, we got it all. We need a sponsorship for fuel tech. We need a seal of approval.
We even got the sweatshirt.
I mean, I'm wearing the sweatshirt right now. Come on now. So this piece right here is for the bottom part of the shaft. So we're gonna come from this bar over. Yeah, nice.
And then maybe we'll
cut that down.
Maybe we'll come up, you know.
All right, so now I gotta cut this down to size. Doesn't fit in the drop saw, which kind of sucks, but we'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way and cut it.
Have the phone.
now he's gonna finish welding the rest around there, and then we'll put it in. All right, so it's tack welded on there. Welded on. Should be good. All right, so cut this little piece down. Looks like it's all good. All the tacks are in. So we will cut this now, and we should be pretty good. So now it has to be 2 inches out.
I don't know if it's 2. I think I'm gonna go 2 inches from here.
Now we're cutting the inner tube. So he's working on the steering column piece. We also got another box, which is also going to be part of this video, is our dual 10-pound nitrous bottle holder. So, by Chassis Engineering. Crack the box open, shitload of hardware, some metal in there, but I gotta jump back in the car.
What do you think the weight difference is?
Yeah.
Compared to that much chrome moly?
Probably not that much.
Not that much.
So, it looks killer. Might be, you know, a pound or two heavier, but the difference between this mount and other mounts is about $300 to $350. So, we went with this one. It's not painted or anything?
Nope.
Okay, that might be one of the reasons also why it's not. But, steering column, listen, we might have to trim some more and whatnot, do some other stuff, but we don't have the rest of the pieces. We don't necessarily need them right now, so we didn't order them. They'll probably go in a little bit later. The body's still got to come off and all that stuff, so we'll end that part of the steering column now. But it looks good. I can actually sit in it and, you know, see the steering wheel on it, which is sick. So, need buttons and stuff still, obviously, but that won't be till later. But it looks killer. Fuel Tech's got to start chipping in a little bit, because this car has been built pretty much from the ground up in our backyard, just me and my dad, and only me and my dad. So Fuel Tech, seal of approval. We don't want anything for free. We don't even want a discount. We just want a seal of approval from Fuel Tech. So if you're watching this for some reason, help us! Help us, please. It'd be awesome to partner up with you guys. That'd be awesome. Yeah, look at that. Like Bob the Builder over here. Oh, it goes to that too? Okay, okay. Then you got the longer rod, it looks like.
Yeah, but these are all the same size.
Yeah.
It goes here. Oh, nuts go here.
Yeah, but I want to see two.
Yeah, there is only two.
I'm just a dick.
Goes in the middle.
Looks like these.
Oh, these
1,
are
2,
on
3, 1, 2. Yeah. We'll come back when they're on. I mean, you don't have to make it tight, but just, you know. We'll put it together for the fan that's watching right now.
The one fan?
Our one fan. What's his name?
Twisted Kid Race Cars, Motorsports.
I mean, I don't know if you'd call him a fan technically, but
Our one critic.
our one critic. All right, so we got the half, and then we have those.
Where
They go through.
Which holes?
The end. It's a 1, 2, 3.
Wait a minute, where does this go?
That's the top. That goes on top of these.
Well, ain't that crazy?
It's sick. So we'll come back again when these roll in. All right, so this obviously comes on and off for the bottles. That's what holds it in place. What are these washers for?
I don't know.
Sweet. It doesn't show a washer on this, or oh, wash is supposed to go here. Look at this, everybody. I'm screwing something in. He's letting me do it. And there you have it. It has to be powder coated and welded in, but just wanted to put it together, check it out, see what it looked like. You getting in? You getting in the car? Wow, this is big news here. This might be the first time in 3 years he actually sat in it. I mean, he's been in the car, but just typically laying in it, welding. You sit up straight. You fit. You fit. I mean, if I fit, you fit. A little shorter than I am, but.
I don't like the steering wheel.
What?
I don't like the steering wheel. Should be over this way more.
Yeah, a little bit, but a tiny bit. Looks good. It would have been in the way.
It's way too high for me.
You got that.
No,
What?
it's way too high. For me.
So you got a booster seat.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, you got to be able to drive it. You got to be able to drive it. Yeah, first time in the seat. Hold on. Well, this will do it for today's video. Soon enough, we'll be busting out of the garage with a race car. So just kind of change up this content a little bit for you guys. But we need some race cars to go race. And looks like we're coming up to about 3 of them that we'll have. So hopefully we'll get out to the track soon and start shooting some other stuff. But thank you guys for watching as always. Guess not. Alright.
Wow.
I was pointing at you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
When the money involved,
Peace, my brother.
Young shot caller, hit place, bad bitch taker, AK slanging as gangster, white flags the one hanging, 2-gun gang, twin glocks, I'm flaming. Should've been a teacher, how I get you white chalk.